Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am almost to like 780 subscribers. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Lets me know that you like what I'm putting out. I really enjoy doing this. That being said, also I'm sorry I slowed down. Life is busy for everybody dealing with the pandemic. We have fires here in Oregon, so it's just been a lot, and I've been working a lot more. I know I said I was gonna rein it in, but I put it back out. So it's not that I don't want to do it. It is because I do have a full-time job, which is healthcare, and it does take a lot of my time. So now that that is out, this look, I am ready with this. This is the palette I use to create this look here. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. All right, so the palette that we are going to use today is the BubblegumXStephanie Savage palette. So cute. That was the unicarton. This is the palette. The pumpkins and the gourds, like I just can't. This is the inside of the palette. Super cute. I will say it did take like 20 days for me to get the palette, but you know, whatever. It eventually came, I guess. It just, sometimes waiting that long, I think it might have even been longer than 20 days, to be honest, but who's counting? Okay, so first color I'm gonna jump into is this color right here, which is Sweater Weather, and just start buffing that along my crease. I did prep with Gerard Cosmetics, the Clean Canvas base, and that's white and cocoa right here, just because I knew I was gonna be doing some sort of a smoky situation. Kind of want to do a little bit of a fall vibe. I don't know. Vibe. Can't talk. So let's dip into that color and jump right into this. Really smoking that out. Just pull that out as far as your heart desires. This color here, without a darker base, it is not very dark. It's really quite pretty. But because I did the dark base, obviously it's gonna be a little bit darker. Just something to kind of map out the colors and just to help like blow it out a little. Just going under this lower lash line. I know sometimes I do the upper lid and then go into the lower lid, but my normal is to kind of like work on the entire eye at once. I don't know why. Really just kind of drag that down. Perfect. I like to put a little bit up above my brow bone too, just to tie it in with my contour since I am dragging it out. So taking another brush, I'm gonna dump into, which one is it? Right here, Cinnamon Stick, and start buffing that along my crease. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease because I want to use, I was thinking to cut the crease and then put vintage in there. Really pretty, like vintage color. I do kind of like how this is like very much fall, very much like retro, it's a little bit of everything, which is cool. Really well thought out. Drag that color on out and up. Again, just as far as you want. Look at this hair. What do you guys think? Nobody comes here for the hair. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and start blending over everything, buffing over everything as I go, and I build up this brown so that it does not get patchy. I'm gonna jump back into sweater weather and just like buff in right here. I want to deepen up the outer V just a little bit more, so I am gonna jump into Hibernation, the black here, ever so slightly with this little brush here. I could probably even use something smaller, but I really gotta wash my brushes. You see how that just kind of deepens it up? Because I really want that color, the vintage, to really pop by adding that dark to make it stick out more. And then just jump into the same brush we used in Cinnamon Stick, no additional color, and blend over that. I think I'm gonna jump into Hibernation and Cinnamon Stick and kind of go in a little further here. I don't know how far. I want to go in with this cut crease or out. I think that's pretty good for now. Taking some of Gerard Cosmetics clean canvas base right here in white, and we're just gonna coat this brush. I have yet to use it to cut the crease, so let's see how this goes. And if you have like hooded eyes, just gauge where you want your cut crease. You know, you want to be able to see it, right? I don't always like mine too high, so I kind of go over and then even almost swoop down. All right, I think I like that placement. I'm gonna do the other side real quick. BRB. Okay, so both eyes are ready. I'm gonna pat this in with my little finger here and just take this little brush and start dipping into Vintage and packing it on. Again, probably not the best brush for this, but I am pretty well out of options. Okay, so that's what it looks like on. I'm gonna take this same little brush, dipping into Cinnamon Stick and the Hibernation, and kind of blend that in. Not a whole lot of fallout neither. So I wonder if I could get a liner moment out of this brown. So let's try. I'll just try on the outer corner first, and I'm gonna dip it into Cinnamon Stick and see if I can't get a liner. I don't know if you can see, it's there. Probably not the sharpest like liner moment I've ever had, but it's on. So just taking this brush that we used earlier in the game with Cinnamon Stick, and I'm gonna buff that. The other brush is little, but it's like awful flimsy. Perfect. I'm gonna take like this red, it's like a maroon lip pencil, and I'm gonna see if I can get that into my waterline. Tickles so bad. I hate watching people do their waterline and put on mascara. It makes me really uncomfortable. It just does something to me. All right, so I'm gonna take this little smudger brush and put Cinnamon Stick on the lower lash line as well. Really like bring this down. Dip into a little bit of sweater weather. Whew, I am sweating. And then taking the same smudger and going into hibernation, that black color. It's not like the blackest of black, so you don't even have to be that intimidated. It's a good smoky black though. All right, let's do an inner corner. So I'm gonna jump into marshmallow and put this on the inner corner. Ah, that's pretty. Really pretty. And put a little on my nose. I'm going with a little bit of apple cider over it because it's fall. Why not? Ooh, apple cider is so pretty. I fully went in. Okay, so one final touch before I pop on my lashes and my lip. I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill Illuminating Powder in Carrots. This is 100% my favorite brow bone highlight because it's not like, I don't know, it's just different. And then because it's carrots, which wouldn't match my skin tone when I'm doing like a brown. Another once over with my brush here, buffing brush. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop on my lashes and my lipstick. Okay, you guys, I am back, and this is the completed look here, right? You see it? Love it, love it, love it. I used some AliExpress lashes. It's like a mixed pack of different styles, GLB001, and I just picked up the second ones in here. And then I also used MAC liner in Boldly Bare for my lips, and I overlined them a touch. As for the palette, this palette is gorgeous. I love the art on the front and just the whole like vibe theme. Just, I don't know, it's so, so cute. It's easy to work with. It's cruelty free. It was, I think it was $38, and then with a code I got it for like $34, $33. The colors are super fun. I really like these falling leaves and ash. They have a little bit of everything in here, which is also really nice. It's very wearable. It's very fall. It can be vintage with candy corn and full moon. So full moon was a mess up, this green shade right here. It was supposed to be full moon, but full moon is what they printed, but it also works. You'd have to look it up. But those are those colors here. Super, super cute. And then vintage, the one I used. But just seeing this palette and the aesthetic, I fell in love. I knew I wanted it, and I'm glad I got it. And I really like the look that I achieved. Like, I'm ready for fall. Give me my scarf, give me my pumpkin spice, give me my goddamn Uggs, because she's ready. Anyhow, you guys, please like, subscribe, stay safe. Thank you for being here. Bye. Bye.